Hello, hello, sorry for the late one. How's everyone doing? Bro, it's cold. Cheer, brother crazy. How do I donate? So the link is just below the stream. And the mods will post the link up as well. Kia ora, Kiwi. How are you guys? Someone just, yeah, I see what you did there. Bro, excited? Cheer, brother. Bro, we just started, bro, but thanks for subbing. If you're new to the stream, bro, you don't have to next time. Colin and Visible Sheriff as well. Thank you guys for subbing to the channel. Vampire, guys, we just started. There's no need to sub. You don't have to. Yeah, sorry I'm late, guys. Yeah, I slept in. I was really tired yesterday, but I feel good now. So we'll see how long we can go for today. So it's our last day for Starship, and it's been a hectic week, I would say. And bro, it's been cool. I'll just readjust this camera. But other than that, just happy to support the kids there. Sleep is amazing, it most definitely is, bro. Okay, so we'll get straight into it, eh? We've got no tea, so I can't have tea, so yeah. Okay, so I'll get that view going again, bird's eye view, but I hope you're all doing well. Hey, crazy, hope everything is good. Oh, crazy Cav, cheer, brother. Were you subbing? For 2 months? Damn, brother, thank you. You know you don't have to. Ubi, thank you very much for the bits as well. Okay, I'm just gonna move this forward. Oh, my back's feeling up today. So we'll be doing some more designing today. I'll just move the camera down to you guys' bird's eye view. Yeah, and it's raining as well. I might turn the music down so you can hear that as well. But I hope you are doing well. How long left on a piece? Oh, I would say quite a bit, bro, because the design itself takes a bit of time too. And with me in particular, I like to take my time on designing. Not sure what this alt comment's meant to be, but okay. Always bring me so much joy. Oh, cheers, sweet and sour. Bro, I love me some sweet and sour. That's nice. Cheers, brother Nomad. And Tech T. UB Stealing and DP. You deserve it. Just came to say hi and hope you're doing well. Thank you guys for the bits, man. Now, if you're new here, you don't have to do that. So, thank you very much. Just try and make that your last time doing that. Holy crap. Cosmic Doggos, cheer, brother. Welcome to the channel, my G. Bro, you don't have to do that. An anonymous cheerer. What phone do you have? I've Samsung S7? Bro, I've had this since they got released, eh? Cheer, just go and do your mahi, just. And cheer, Maya. Yeah, I've had this S7 since they got released, and it's starting to break now. Probably from those times I dropped it on the concrete when we were streaming, but it's all good. As long as it works, I don't need a new phone. That's just how I roll. Okay, I might need to turn it around soon, just so I can work with this here. But what I'm gonna do for now is just try and fix up some of these lines. Old man dropped my S10 on the weekend and broke it. Oh, wretched, brother. Who's this anonymous cheerer? Tell me your name, so I can acknowledge you. Thank you. But I'd rather know your name. Do you do outrigger canoe over there? No, it's popular in the country. Some people do, bro. I don't myself. Hey, Zixi, chill, bro. Far out you, bro. I remember you from ages ago. How you been, brother? Deacon Sheepy and Cosmic Doggos. Oh, yeah. You didn't have to do that. Thank you guys for subbing, gifting subs. We followed sub hammers. God damn. I'm definitely happy to be here for 2 months, bro. Oh, cheer, brother. Yeah, cheer, brother Thunder. Bro, it is cold today. Like really cold. But oh well, I'd rather freeze my ass off for a good cause. Is it cold there in India? Yep, I just said. But it's all good though. I finally hit level 30 on Classic last night. Boy, that took bloody long, I'll say that. Where's the donate link? So one of the mods will post it up for you. I believe it, or it might be like ! Donate. I think. What class, bro? Warrior. I'm missing a chisel. Okay, I'm just gonna push this cut to the wall, or as close as I can, and then shave the rest off. Looking nice, brother. Hey, Pineapple Big Shot. Thanks, brother, for resubbing 2 months in a row. Bro, you don't have to, eh? But I appreciate it, brother. Thank you. Badass Mickey? Holy shit. Oh, what'd you do that for? Thanks for gifting 10 subs, man. Warriors tough and classic. Yeah, bro, it most definitely is, eh? One of my bros, he goes, just start out with your hunter first. It'll make stuff easier so you can, like, farm up shit for your next ults and whatnot. But I was like, oh, I just want to play warrior because that's my favourite class. No, you said I don't have to, but you deserve so much more for being here. Oh, true, Cosmic Doggos. True, brother. But you still don't have to. Okay, I'm just gonna push this design to the wall so we can carry on. Rizzo Father, thank you very much, man. If you're new here, you don't have to do that anymore. Appreciate it, man. Big as Bean. Oh, I gifted a tier 2. Jesus, brother. Thank you, bro. Bro, you don't have to do that, eh? But yeah, in terms of classic, man, yeah, Warrior is hard, but it's been pretty fun. I'm trying to enjoy playing on the Alliance on retail, but I'm not too. I really ain't. H. Curtis and Living Goofy. Oh, gee. Thank you guys. If yous are new here, there's no need to do that, okay? Love you, mate. Oh, cheer. Love you too, LA. Oh, Living Goofy, that's enough. Am I from Auckland? Nah, I'm from Rotorua, but most of all I'm from a place called Ruatahuna, in the bush. Meowster, hey, aloha brother. Mahalo for being here. Love your work, I know you're mental kiwi and pink fuzzy sloth. Thank you. Yeah, I want you to look after yourselves. And Eddie's as well for gifting subs. Oh, fuck. Durata, yeah. Yeah, bro. So I was just kicking back while I was... Nah, yeah, you know why I'm late? Because I had to charge the bag. I was watching S-Fan while I was waiting. And Aussie Antics as well. Just had to drop in and have a watch, say hello. Do you have thoughts on Rick Fool's passing? Yeah, I talked about it yesterday, but it's sad what happened. Really sad. And it's pretty shit. I don't know what the feeling people get out of someone doing that because of them, but that's pretty wretched. Like really wretched. Okay, let's start these in. Oh, hang on. What do you stream with? An IRL backpack, bro. Provided by Twitch ANZ. Wonder if Infernix is here. Oh, Sleek. Bro, thank you. Bro, that's enough, bro. Thank you though, brother. Got any pets? Nah, man. Sadly, I'm not allowed to have any because we're renting out our house. And the landlord doesn't allow pets. And, which is quite dumb. Maybe one day when we're in a different house, I guess, we'll be allowed to have pets. But my grandfather, he has a Saint Bernard. Been in quarantine since Monday, my God, and you've been keeping my spirits high. No symptoms, so hopefully all the good love from the landing with open beaches. Oh, okay. Yeah, I've been hearing a lot about that. People having large gatherings of what's going on. Which I think is kind of silly, but hey, there's nothing I can do. But thanks, brother. When and why did you get into carving? Because it's part of my culture and that's one of the things I love the most. I have a big love and passion for my culture. And World of Warcraft. And I'm starting to get in get into Smash. Did Brock's Cub sleep good after the event? Yeah, bro. So pretty much after our stream at Te Puia, brother, crazy. Bro, we pretty much jumped in the car, and by the time we just drove out, she was crashed out. It was pretty funny though. Yeah, man, I'm really getting into Smash now. That's something I'd really love to stream one day. What's your favorite class racing? Wow, bro, that's a hard one, eh? Holy warrior, bro. Can't get past the old warrior and the orc. Just because they're similar to Māori people. I mean, even the Tauran are quite similar to our people in terms of being spiritual. Did you finally switch to a Switch? Nah, bro, I've just been playing Smash on my cousin's Switch. Usually off stream, or just go to her house and ask for a tune on her Switch. She's like, oh, you always come in? I was like, yeah, because I want to play Smash. I just tell her, bro, you're just as trash at it as I am, so why not? Who do you main on Smash? Incineroar, bro. I only like playing them just to clothesline people. I don't really care who's the most OP person. I just play Incineroar because he can clothesline people. I mean, who doesn't like clotheslining people with him? I wish I could buy a Switch. Oh, no thank you, man. You buy you a Switch. Sorry guys, yeah, I'm just a bit picky when it comes to designing. I don't like seeing any flat tops. Did you get your new tools? New tools? For... Do you watch JoJo? Nah, I haven't played Tekken. I used to, bro. But when they changed all the buttons for the combos, I just went off it, eh? I was just played King, bro. I hate my... Oh, what's wrong with Little Mac? Just play whoever you want. That's why I play Incineroar, because I think he's fun. If I bought you the world, would you make me return it? Yeah, probably. I don't want the world. You see what's going on? I have no time to play WoW or Smash. True, bro. Do you play classic or retail? Oh, I play both, bro. When I'm bored of one, I'll go and play the other. That's just how I do it. I found my old shaman that I used to play on BlackRock server. Oh, $100 dono. Yo! Thanks for donating to Starship, brother. Thank you, brother. Yo, I had the honour of travelling around New Zealand a couple of years ago. It was one of the most content and fulfilling times of my life, brother. 16-year anniversary. Appreciate it, brother. Oh, live fine. Oh, that's sad to hear, brother. Hope he's good though. But much love to you and your family, brother, in these times. And that goes to everyone too. Last night on Smash, one with Incineroar. Oh, nice, brother. Oh, CT, I don't celebrate 4th of July, man. I'm not from America, and what it represents. Do you have a PO box? Nah, bro. I only just found out what a PO box was. Do you watch Haikyuu? Nah, bro. I don't watch much anime. I'm pretty much only watching one at the moment, which is Fire Force. Can I see Almighty Hairflick? Did someone redeem one? Yeah, bro, I'm not American. So I'm just check cutting this whole wall before we begin prepping these. You're a goat? Nah, man, I'm not a goat, brother. A lion, but not a goat. Just check cutting all these, and then we'll start prepping them, eh? So I went out for a drink on Friday, and boy, I didn't enjoy it one bit. I think it's safe to say I don't even like it anymore. How are you? I am good. How are you? Yeah, I know what goat means, but I ain't the greatest of all time. I haven't even lived yet. Oh, Valley Pleb. Thank you, brother. Bro, you don't need to do that. What's your favourite dish to eat? Anything that's yum. Most of all, it's usually sushi. Frosty, oh, cheer, Frosty. Hey, drunkster! Cheer, brother. Looks clean, bro. Oh, yeah, it's getting there, bro. Just gotta turn it on the side to start it. Oh, it's about esports. True, bro. Yeah, I try not to watch too many at once, see? So I just watch the one. Oh, Cosmic Doggo. Have you ever considered playing with subs? Yeah, bro. I just have to get this particular piece for the stream pack to for the internet. Oh god. And bro, there's no need to give bits, bro. You've done enough. I am a lemon. I am a lemon. Oh jeez. Thank you. Just you don't have to do that. Okay. I'm just gonna start these. Oh, here comes the rain. Okay. So this is going to be quite a slow process, guys, so my bad, yeah? Mr. Fahrenheit? Bro. Thank you very much, brother. Bro, if you're new here, you don't have to do that, brother. Next time, please. Damn. I knew that's why I didn't want to go to Tapuia today, because I knew it was going to rain. Well, Mrs. Brooks did, and she growled me, "You should go on Friday." Oh, and Daniel. Oh, no problem, man. How do you do the lines? Do you pre-cut? Oh, just pencil first, then pre-cut, and then do the deep one. The deep cut. So this design here, it will take a while, but yeah, I don't mind if people leave, just because it might be a bit too boring. So this is known as a pakati, which is one of our most hardest designs we ever do. This kind of looks like teeth. So what I'm doing at the moment is prepping each cut. So we cut them in, then we have to take out the excess wood. We continue to Dub City. This is pretty much what I'm streaming for now. But even once I start gaming streams, I'll do carving. I don't plan on stopping this on Twitch just to try and be a gamer. This was the whole reason why I started streaming, was for carving. Cherokee from Melbourne, glad I got recommended by Twitch algorithm and now. Oh, cheer touched. Cheer my bro. Yeah, I'm just doing it for the kids, man. Happy as to help Starship. Yeah, so what we're doing is just trying to take out all the excess wood. Make sure to keep the top flat. Just helps for later. What games do I stream? Oh, the ones I plan on streaming is obviously Red Dead. I want to play that through again. What else? So there's quite a few PlayStation games coming out. Smash, and that's as far as I've gotten so far. Maybe Fortnite, maybe just games with, yeah, as someone mentioned before, games with the subs. Cool, now I can flip it back over. How much money have we raised for Starship? There's supposed to be a purple heart sign that just plays up. Oh, okay. So we've raised over $13,000 for Starship. Red Dead, which one? Bro, I don't mind playing all of them, eh? Red Revolver, Red Dead 1, Red Dead 2. It's just one of my favourite games. Have you met any fans that got them? Yeah, S-Charms, yep. I've met a few. I wouldn't say just under 10. I mean, it's still new for me, and yeah. They just come up to me and, yeah, come and have a photo, it's all good. Do you play GTA? No, not as much. It's not a game I'll get into just yet. I mean, there's enough cool GTA streamers out there like Solid Gifts, Squid and HD, The Brother Massacre. You should check them out, guys. Yeah, so we're just taking out all the wood in here. Can you guys see it? All good. Are you gonna play Warzone? Oh, maybe. Main thing with me, bro, I don't really play to try and be a sweat. I just play to have a good time. Not really, I don't really gel well with people that just want to play serious. I don't think that's boring. Not out here trying to be a pro. Kill him and Garden Haze. Garden Haze, thank you very much, guys. Keep up the good shit. Oh, thanks, brother. Yeah, no sweat zone, pretty much. And if we manage to get dubs in games, oh, that's pretty cool. To when the day comes. What's up, Whereabouts in NZ are you from? Love the streams. Fuji. I stay in Rotorua. Ever been to Hawaii? Nah, bro. Never been off the North Island. Hopefully go there one day. That's definitely one place I would love to check out in terms of the culture and how people have passed through there on the Great Migration. Love to go and learn at Makaha. You're a chilled egg. Ain't nobody got time for a chilled egg. So I'm just check cutting these, and then we just come back the same way. So take the top off. Pop it off. Pop it off. Easy. And now what we do now is check cut the other side and start prepping, and then we start popping the teeth out. So it's a lot of back and forward with this design, but that's just how it goes. I see the red bands, my brother. Chew my bro. Pretty much when we got made redundant and we got our last pay from my job that I used to work for, I went to buy me some gumboots. The support for Starship is amazing. Yeah, bro. And that's what's really making me happy. Utah Mo, cheer, brother. How you, my bro? Okay, now we check cut this side. Nice jacket, man. Ah, thanks, brother. Yeah, my grandfather gave it to me, bro. What is your culture? This is Māori culture, bro. We as a people. Oh, 200. Yo. Thank you for donating. Oh, $200 to Starship, brother. Thank you, bro. Apologies I can't see notifications on my phone, brother. But thank you for supporting the Children's Hospital, my man. One thing we might do after today's stream, I actually don't know where I was going with that, but never mind. Have you ruined it? Yeah, heaps of times. But it's easier to fix. It's only hard when you give up. If you could meet one person dead or alive, who would it be? Oh, that's hard. Rather meet someone who has passed, to be honest. That's as far as I'll go. Yeah, I was thinking of doing that, Maya. Do some hours out here, set up inside, and then we'll read some of the comments from the donos. I was in Starship for a kid. As a kid, best part was Lollipop Radio with all the shot kids. Oh, true, brother. What is your ethnicity? Māori. What is this song? Hold on, guys. Currently 3 a.m. in the UK, had to stay up to catch you before falling asleep. Oh, cheer, brother. Thanks for the bits, bro. Callum, bro, you didn't have to do that, bro. Is this even the proper version? Man, I really want to play this Zelda, eh? Listening to the music for the last few days. Nice and chill. Here we go, guys. So I'm just gonna start chick cutting along the sides, just so we can pop this side up. I just have to make sure I don't hit any of the walls. That's the main thing we don't want to do. Oh, bro, the only Zelda I've played is yeah, Ocarina of Time, brother. Sorry, my bro. And it's pretty much been a standout game for me as a kid. Oh, what kind of wood? So it's totara, brother. Native red pine. Why don't you carve into your chisel header to make it look cool? My mallet? Oh, there's no need to. I don't care about it making it look flash, as long as it does what I need to do, really. Interesting question, but all good, brother. I heard you have a lot of sports events in the crowds. The reactions must have been pretty lenient over there. You guys did better than most other countries. Yeah, so we got rid of COVID-19 here in New Zealand, and then 2 clowns came in, got flown in, and for a funeral. But at the time, the government said you weren't allowed to go to funerals. So I don't know what happened there. And one of them tested positive for COVID, got put into isolation, and then these 2 clowns decided to go travelling around the country and pretty much fucked it up for all of us. What's the project you're most proud of? All of them. Really nice carving. Oh, cheap, man. Would you ever make a surfboard? Probably not, bro. So I'm just trying to do these ones on the side, but our grain is going down, so I have to go to see. It's not the best way to do it, but I will. Petition for them to come home and they let them go. So stupid. Fucking dumbasses. Have you ever gotten really angry? Yeah, of course. If you say you haven't gotten really angry, you're a liar. Hold on, guys. I never get angry when you say that. Oh, it's just had to answer it, eh? Nah, yeah, I've gotten angry before, bro. An angry Brooks would be a force of nature. Okay, let me just pop all these out. Yeah, this is just the thing about this design, guys. Gotta take my time. Maybe boring to some, but it's alright. Message on IG, great work with the charity, big man. Chew, Maddie. Chew, brother. I do 3D models. Would it be okay if I was to model one of your carvings? Ooh. Yeah, I'll say yes. Mainly because it's mine. It's my one, and as long as it's yeah. No other one. Yeah, bro, go hard. Okay. Seems like the sun's breaking through. Actually motivating me. Oh, cheap, bro. How'd you get into woodworking? Any tips on anyone wanting to get into it? What kind of woodworking, bro? Anyone that wants to get into something like this, I would just say, just do it. No words of motivation, bro. Just get some tools, find some wood, and see what you can create. That's what I will say. Yo, Fanta! Yeah, chill, brother, crazy. Chill, my bro. But, them body parts, you're working on boobs. Well, judging on my expertise on the human body, I would say this is more of an eyebrow. Nah, these ain't boobs, bro. I know it's flat, but yeah, they ain't boobs, bro. All good, brother. I've had far worse questions about carving than that one. It's like, what kind of animal? They pointed this and what kind of animal is that? I'm like, this is an eyebrow. What do you think about my man? You literally are trying to make your man Trump, eh? Your man Trump. Don't like him. Seems like a bit of a dick, to be honest. Yeah, it's all good. I'll just say that about him. Hold on. Oh, shit. Whew. Yeah, no, I don't really go out of my way to look at what your bro Donald Trump's doing, brother. I usually play well in my free time. Apologies. Yeah, K-Brook, yeah, I just had a mad gust of dust go up my nose. Fleshy, yeah, thanks guys. I have a crush on your Prime Minister. Auntie Santa. Yeah, she's been the best Prime Minister this country has ever had, I would say. She started in bad times, but far she shines in them. That's what I'll say about Auntie Jacinta. Dado Flads Gaming, yeah bro, that was the same too. Got it, cracked me a carving job. But yeah, because it was in tourism, COVID changed that. But oh well, shit happens. Just gotta move on, brother. Find something better. There's an enemy around. Okay, I'm just gonna go blow my nose. And I'm back. $33 away from 14k. Holy heck! Yo! You gotta donate a Starship. Who was it, brother? Sorry, I can't see it on my phone. What's the temperature like? Cold. What WoW servers I play on? Retail. So I'm gonna transfer my Horde mains to Barthelus. But I've started playing on Frostmourne as well, on Alliance, sadly. With the bro Panda. So I was thinking about the first day I started WoW, and I made a paladin, human, unfortunately, on Cellophane, and I know there's like a delete thing where you can go back and see. I'm gonna see if it's still on there. Probably won't be, but you never know, eh? Thinking back to my nub days, Anonymous dropped 250 to Starship. Oh, fuck. Who are you anonymous people? Jeez. Thank you for helping Starship. Would really love to know your real names though. Straight up. Oh yeah, I'll say thank you because it's towards Starship. If it's towards me, I'll be saying, you didn't have to. They got big hearts. Yeah, bro, definitely. Oh, Cosmic Doggos for Starship. Okay, brother. Appreciate it, my bro. Thank you. Have I ever played any rugby? All Blacks are huge in NZ. They are unbeatable. Oh, they didn't win that World Cup, but yeah, they're pretty mean. I'm from New Zealand, bro. We need a t-shirt that says thanks, but no thank you. But you didn't have to. Sounds like a plan, brother. Yeah, they were unbeatable for a few years, and then yeah, didn't quite go our way last World Cup, but oh well, it's alright. Still got to represent your team, eh? Last day of what? For Starship Hospital, bro. Charity. That's all we've been doing all week. Okay. Smash the 14k. Yo, let's go. Okay, just looking at it now. Oh, actual. What the hell? I mean, that's cool, but holy damn. Who is this anonymous person? $300. Oh my god, thank you for donating that much to Starship. Oh. Far out. That's mean. Holy cow! Is it NZ or US? I don't know. Isn't it? It's the thought that counts, bro. It doesn't matter. Oh my god. Menacing wood carving music. Hey, listen. Bro, that's so cool. Yo, let's go. Do you watch anime? I most definitely do. So over 14k US to Starship equals insane. Nice. Bro. Top 3 animes. Damn, that's hard. Ones that I liked, I would say My Hero. My second favorite would be Demon Slayer. And my third would be Tiger Mask W. I have never watched Attack on Titans. So Starship is a children's hospital here in New Zealand, and they have a plane service that flies terminally ill children from all over the country to the hospital. Hello, Blazer Gamer. I should make a schedule. I usually try and start at like 11:30, but I was tired as last night and I woke up at 10. So I had a big sleep. Hello, Astrorius. Is that how you say it? Just got here. Is this Deku Tree music? Yeah, bro. Bro, you've helped so many as well in chat. Oh, just happy to help, bro, in any way I can. That's kind of all that matters. I won't be streaming tomorrow, so we've been going every day all week. I'm gonna have tomorrow off. Oh, thank you to whoever donated $10. Thank you. Yeah, so sorry if anyone's waiting for tomorrow as well. I'm gonna have tomorrow off, and maybe Tuesday as well, depending on how I'm feeling. If you don't mind, because actually today is mine and my partner's 5-year anniversary of meeting each other. But yeah, she's out of town. She went to our nephew's birthday yesterday, but I decided to stay back to do these streams, which she didn't mind at all. And I talked to the father as well. Congrats, yeah. She's lucky to have me, eh? No. Those ones. She got all this. Gee, thank you everyone. Great, I'm going to stream tomorrow. Cool, when? I want to come watch. I've been missing your streams because they're late and I'm tired because of baby. I'm new here and I'm really enjoying it. Hey, Nicole. Oh, as long as you're having fun. So I'm a traditional Māori wood carver, and yeah, we just chill here. There's no need to give subs or give bits. That's something Thunder would say. Ah, it's a two-way thing. It's a good tide to be. Yeah, bro, pigeon. I have 3 days off so I can stream early. Yay! Yeah, I'm coming to watch your stream. ×2, yeah, bro. November is our next baby. I'm bloody excited. So I'm just fixing them all up now, making them all even. Oop. Might actually take my hat off here. Watching from Oz, loving the stream, told my friends about you. Oh, cheer, Brit boy. Cheer, brother. Do you have a beard routine? Don't cut it. That's all. Do I follow the Warriors? Ugh. Not anymore. Bloody disappointing they are. Nah, I stopped watching NRL when JT retired. That's the only reason why I watched NRL. Not for them. Jeez. I mean, I'm not good at League of Legends, but I'm pretty sure they make my KDA look bloody godlike. That replied to the Warriors. Oh, man, yeah. Over them. I wish I was blessed as you with your beard. Oh, I could grow it bigger, but yeah. Mrs. Brox won't allow it. She's like, bro, there's food in it. Oh, yeah, for later. Storing for the winter, man. Okay. So I'm just cleaning these up. I'll give you a closer look as we gradually make them look better. This man deserves an award. Nah, I'm all good. I'm gonna ask Infernex if I can have a Twitch jersey. That can be the reward. Or where I can get one from. Oh god. Oh Liam. Can I send you some pics of my own carving? Yeah, of course you can, Sanity Dweller. I love to see what the followers do. And Paulie, thank you very much for gifting 5 subs, Paulie. And also to Liam for gifting bits. I know you too. You don't have to. Especially here. And Swifty Ben, thank you very much for subbing, brother. Just YouTube Zelda music. Started oh, you're making a knife, brother. Chew. I've got to do something for Thunder too. He wants me to do some handles for him. But I've got to see his sword first. Matthew Cholas, happy birthday, brother. Check out, bro. Cheers, Swifty. Cheers, my bro. Yeah, all good, Fanta. Post it up, all good. Okay, these ones are good. I hit these ones. Kingdom Hearts, this one. Yeah, they got some good music on Kingdom Hearts, eh? This is one of my favourites. When you meet the owl. My other favourite songs from this game would have to be Kakariko Village and the Song of the Storms. Louder. Nah, I can't play it too loud, but I'm around my neighbours too. Gotta respect them as well. Yeah, I'm just trying to clean these up and then I'll give you a closer look. Just making sure they're all good, eh? Thinking of making spaghetti bolognese for our anniversary tonight. Mashups of Zelda. Oh, true. Does it roll to 3 though? Hopscotch. $3:30 in the UK. Brother, don't stay up too late there, Shrekky. Staying up, you deserve every donation. So be, oh, All good, brother. Okay. Let's get these done. There's an emulator to play this, eh? Or is that not allowed? Can't go wrong with the good old spag bowl. Yeah, bro. I usually use, make the spag bowl, a little bit of sugar, and soy sauce. Oh, touched. Thank you, brother, bro. You don't have to do that. Love you too, legend. There you go, mate. All good, bro. Cheers, Bushido. So it's coming along. Yeah, getting there, bro. We're just trying to do this row, and then we'll do the next one. And then, oh, jeez. Georgie. Why you no listen to me, Georgie? Hiya, Georgie. No, thank you, Georgie, for the bits, brother. Bro, if you are new here, bro, you don't have to donate, brother. No, I don't celebrate 4th of July, man, but much love, bro. On the phone, hey, brother Wolvie. I love your work, mate. Yo, Chuma, bro. Bro, I gotta drop into your streams there. I see you're doing some awareness streams every is it Saturday? Bro, I'll definitely drop in, brother. Can we get a shout out for the brother Wolf Gaming? Give him a follow, guys. He's another NZ streamer, all round good fellow as well. So be sure to go through, give him a follow. Send the love over to him too. Hey, there we go. Mayhew. Sounds like one of my old teachers from Boys High. Thank you very much, Mayhew. Just know that you don't have to do that, eh? Do you like Zelda? I most definitely do. Just Ocarina of Time. It's pretty much the only one I've ever played. Kane's playing the Chiefs soon, bro. Get up the mighty Chiefs. Chew, Shady. When's doing? Today or? Big Dono to Starship and Little T. Oh, Georgie. All good, brother. Would have been better if it was none, but appreciate it, brother, nonetheless. Okay. So out of this whole row, we've managed to do 4. That's why it's going to take long. Because I'm really picky as well. There you go. Blue Ivy's father. That you are, Jay-Z. Hope you're having a good day too, bro. Nice name, brother. Nice name. No way. Yeah, all good, all good, Tricky. Cheers, brother. What was your first carving? A little feather bowl known as a wakahuia. Fuck, I was at my mother's the other day too. I was supposed to grab it. I just looked at it and, oh, that's ugly. But it's a good reminder of where I started, I would say. Can you put the one on the Forest Temple? Oh, it's pretty much playing through all of them, bro. So we'll just leave it there. Whew, cold one. Cold one. Hopefully we can get a bit done. Then we can go inside, read some donos to Starship to end our weekend or our week. This carving is dope. Cheers, brother. I'm from Rotorua, brother. But I'm also from, I was raised in a small place called Ruatahuna. It's pretty isolated, bro, where it is. One day you'll have an indoor studio, maybe. Oh, just a shed with 4 walls would be nice. Nice job. Thanks, bro. Yeah, getting there. So we got to do another row here, 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 and here. For a rugby team, I think it'll be pretty obvious, bro. The All Blacks. What made you want to start streaming? Just a random thought, and then why not have a go, see if it's fun. True, Monty. True, brother. Yeah, I see that battle right icon. Who was your favourite champ, bro? I used to play a little bit of battle right ages ago. Jumong was my favourite. Chiefs kick off 3 PM. Ooh, wow, that's soon. Oh well, keep me updated, brother. So I see the Crusaders won last night too. Battle Ride is fun. Yeah, I enjoy it. Oh, when I used to play it. I was using my cousin's Steam at the time, because he had it. Ashka, man. Chew, brother. Yeah, bro, Jumong was my favourite. This hunter looking dude. Mainly because I did a little bit of it when I was young. Blues versus the Crusaders. Oh, tune. Yeah, that'll be a mean game, mate. Considering how they've been going. Be a good game of footy. Is it cold over the pond? Yeah, bro. That's why I got like a jersey and a jacket. And a thermal shirt on underneath. Thanks for making me smile and all extra. Just good people. Oh, D-man. Cheer, brother. Sad to hear about your pet, brother. Woo raid. Who's this? Diggity dog. Cheer, brother. Got a bit of a raid coming through. Yeah, it's good to read comments while I work. That's what it's about. Oh, freaked chemist. Cheer, brother. How did I not see that? Oh, there you go. Oh, 56 viewers. Oh, cheers to the brother Freak Chemist and your community, brother. Thank you very much for the host. To everyone that's come through from Freak Chemist stream. So I'm just Brox. I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver. So this is pretty much like one of the main art forms we have in our culture that help pass down our myths, stories and legends. And one thing I have a big passion for is my own culture. Well, welcome everybody, and hope it's everything you love to watch. And yeah, welcome everybody. Just trying to do some designing at the moment. It's one of our more difficult designs that needs the most attention, I would say, in terms of it being as perfect as possible. What is my culture? Māori culture, brother. I don't speak Spanish, Jerry. Sorry. Oh, Georgie. True, brother Georgie, once again. If we can, guys, can we either speak English or Māori, if possible? I can't understand Spanish. I do apologise. Maybe Google Translate. I'm in Vegas this weekend with my little fams. What do you recommend? Geez, like everything around there in terms of like tourist stuff is cheap now, eh? Okay, let me just do these. Normally, on a sacred piece, you wouldn't blow the chips out because you're trying to imitate one of our gods, Tane Mahuta, who is the god that brought the first people into this world and breathing life into them, and that's what it imitates, because he's also the god of the forest as well, and obviously a tree is his child. Good to see your oldie brother doing what he loves. Cheers, bro. All good, brother. Try and get these done. Okay, we've done a few now. They're getting clean as we go along. My favourite Zelda song. Yeah, true, brother. Kia ora, bro, is that Cody? Nah, this is Tōtara, brother. Here's Cody here. So this is a piece of Cody. This wood here, so as you can see, Cody's yellow and Tōtara is red. Yeah, yeah. It's quite dry too. Do you think Paraguay is a country? I have no idea where that is, sorry. Second favourite rugby team? Probably the Chiefs. Okay, let's change this one. Just changing the song. What can I play? Do. Yes, we exist. Oh, cheer, bro. Yeah, I've never heard of that country before. I do apologize. What do you do with all your carvings? Some of them's so usually I do commission work, or like the two on this side, they're actually for my old job. They haven't contacted me for them yet. Hopefully sometime soon. Yeah, but most of the time I do commission, but hold on, guys. Oh, the Chiefs are on, eh? Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I don't do 4th of July. Only Independence Day I know is the Will Smith movie. KP Giants, oh god. Thank you, bro. You're not dreaming, man. How did you come up with the idea of helping? I didn't. They approached me and I said yes straight away because I knew what it was for. Actually just celebrating the movie. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I don't really know much about 4th of July or Independence Day. Because I don't live in America, so yeah. Never been off the North Island of New Zealand. Okay, they're looking quite good. Just looking at them from this angle here. They're getting cleaner as we go along. What did Fanta do? 1 year? Oh yeah, he's been here for a long time. Do you do anything special for Matariki? No, not really. Just acknowledge it. I know it's the beginning of the Māori New Year, but yeah, no, kind of never have, eh? Good question. Just trying to clean this up, guys, and then I'll come back to the chat. My bad if I miss your guys' comments. Trying to get these done as fast as I can, but taking my time. Would you ever make a TikTok to post carving videos on? Yeah. I'm just haven't gotten around to it yet. I should really be doing that for everyone that follows on TikTok, but I mainly use it just to watch like Pokemon card unpackings. Malware. Did the Māori have any form of currency, or was it purely trade? Pretty much purely trade, bro. Tribes from the coast would trade with tribes inland. I mean fish and then meat or whatever, or birds, which was the main form of meat in days of old. How much would a piece cost? Like this on here? This is close to like 5,000. Do you have any advice you don't mind sharing for carving? I'm trying to take after my father and carve love spoon. Needing to sharpen the chisels and work with wood. Thanks for Rowan. So what helps to do nice carvings is obviously sharp chisels or blades, whatever tool it may be. Bro, just maybe buy like cheap chisels or whatever your tools are, a cheap version, and learn how to grind on those. Because that's what I did. I just bought cheap chisels and learned how to grind with those because I knew I wasn't going to use them as much. Then eventually you start to get the knack of grinding. Have you ever had kiriru? No, it's illegal to eat that. You can't just go out and say, okay, I'm going to shoot a kiriru and I'm going to eat it. You can actually go to jail for it because it's a protected native bird. I personally won't go out of my way to shoot one. Oh, duck saw. Thanks, man. Yeah, just leave the comments. Guys, that's a lot of stuff to just take off. We'll just tell them, if you do speak Spanish, try Google Translate, okay? Or just leave their messages on there, because that's a lot of deleting to do. Look at that. Much love, duckies? Cheers, brother. Watching from Florida. Okay, bro, I know the virus is quite bad out those ways and people are still roaming around in town. If anyone's from Miami, Florida, please stay inside. Look after yourselves. Don't be like those anti-mask people. Yep, that is the rain you can hear. People are mouthing off because they think they're bloody bulletproof and they don't have to wear a bloody mask. Oh, corona proof, I should say. Man, they're a bloody laugh, eh? They're like, I know my rights, I don't need to wear a mask, I'll be fine. Next minute, corona. Judge Jono. Yeah, true, brother. We had no cases here for 2 months, just had 3 new cases. Oh, true. Where's here, brother? Joining you from Kentucky. Hey, Dylan Guy. True, brother. How are you? Yeah, looking good. So we're just doing along here for now, bro. Yeah, we don't. I don't. Doesn't understand Spanish, use Google Translator. Yeah, I can't really understand it, bro, so I mean, you can speak it, but I won't know what you're saying. Not bad, yeah? Okay, back to cleaning up. Hello from Mordor. Hey brother, how are you? Garden feet? Nah, not really. Bro, they've been out in the rain heaps and they're pretty much fine, eh? But I leave all my carvings on the ground because they're dry wood anyway. Mario! Cheers for subbing, man. If you're new here, bro, you don't have to do that next time. Nice dog there, Alex. Okay, let's do that. Pop these. Man, I really miss my daughter, and it's only one day. What do you mean by the last day? So this is last day I'll be doing for Starship. It's like the window I chose. Instead of doing one day, I dedicated the whole week to them. I just realised we plugged for it. Yeah, so I left the link on the Twitch page that directs you to Starship. Just like me, so this is just a whiku, bro. One of our traditional forms that we have. You'll mainly find these types of carvings on the apex of a meeting house or an archway. So this is just showcasing one of the different forms that we have in terms of making a face. There's a different form up the top as well, known as a ruru, which is in the shape of an owl. That's what we call it. Ruru pretty much translates to owl. And the owl is a really spiritual bird to us. It's the last day doing charity, bro. How am I doing? Yeah, I'm all good. I mean, yeah, it's cold, but it's for a good cause, eh? I don't really mind. Yo, Deuces. Oh, all good, man. Thanks for tuning in. And, bro, you didn't have to give bits with your message. That goes for you too, Keegan. Much love for giving you guys bits. You don't have to do that, okay? I'd appreciate it. Do you have any Māori tattoos? Yeah, on my calf. I'm not going to take my pants off though, it's cold. Okay, we're coming up to the ones on the side, which will probably be the most annoying ones. How much would a piece cost like this one? Yasuo, eh? Hey, I know who you play. Probably the least it will go for is 5,000. just trying to pop this one out here. You work Sunday mornings. I've been doing all week, bro, for Starship Hospital. Holy shit. Thank you to whoever donated $100 to the Starship charity. Holy crap. And it's not for me, bro. It's for the charity. Did I ever hear the word? No, I never heard that word before, bro. So just remember, guys, the donations go towards Starship Hospital. By tomorrow, the link will be gone and we'll go back to normal. No more donos. Not even for... Yeah. I won't be turning a dono button on for myself. We'll just go back to normal. I just wanted to help them with the Children's Hospital here in New Zealand. Only had to get up at 5 AM. Oh, true, brother. I'm doing good, man. Yeah, I'm all good, brother. Just feeling good from a week of just dedicating to kids, bro. Kids Hospital. Which is fills the heart seeing everyone donating towards it. So yeah, I won't be making myself a dono button after this if anyone's wondering. We just go back to normal. Cheer Maya. Love the sound of the rain. Yeah, it's good, eh? Hold on, guys. Oh shit, I better plug my phone in. It's getting flat. Mateo. Same weather tomorrow, you could just stream it. Nah. I'm not streaming tomorrow, man. I'm taking the day off tomorrow and maybe Tuesday as well. Depending on how I feel. What is this? I can't sub right now, but I will once I get Prime. I have no need to sub, bro, at all. Just come and watch. All good. Princess McAwesome. If you're new here, Princess, you don't have to do that gifting or subbing, but I appreciate it. Thank you. I'll say thank you like I always do, because it's rude not to. Just trying to pop these buggers out. There we go. Just doing a bit of readjusting, that's all. Rock should draw a smile on my face. Oh, too man. Calling me a mofo, bro. Not sure what you're on about, brother. You gotta, oh jeez. Thank you for donating $50 to charity, to the Starship charity. So once we finish up out here, I'll go inside, reset up, and we'll read out these donos as well. Because it only seems fair that we should acknowledge the ones we're missing right now. So I've almost finished one row of Pakati. Okay, let me just move that. And then we'll put this here. Oh, actually, I'll turn it the other way and readjust the camera again. Thunder's rolling in. Not Thunder Punch either. So yeah, to anyone that's new here, so this art form that I'm doing is one of the main forms of storytelling for the Māori people. And yeah, we had no written form of language. So the way we had to pass everything down was from word of mouth, through song and dance, which was another main component of sharing our stories as well, and it even is today, and this art form in particular. Oh, 487 and a 50. Holy shit. Oh, you ain't mucking around today. Holy cow. Hey, tune Phoenix. There he is. Holy cow. You're quickly becoming one of my dad's favourite streamers. Oh, real Amanda. Shout out to your dad. Is he a woodworker as well? Shout out to your dad, Amanda. Thank you for tuning in. Amanda's dad. Damn, congrats. Yeah, we just hit it now in Phoenix. So guys, if you were wondering who asked if I could do this, there he is there. Basically, yeah, I said yes straight away, because I knew what it was for. So I've almost finished the first row, guys. So making sure they're all straight. You don't want any crooked ones. Well, I don't. Amazing effort by you and your community though. Yeah, all like team effort. I mean, all of them really. I'm just carving. And once I finish this row, I'll have my first smoko break. Hey, in Phoenix, where do I go to get a Twitch hoodie? Already sent you one. Oh wow. Oh, thank you. Should arrive soon. Oh, cheer. Thank you. Oh yeah, smoko means small break. What does Starship mean? It's a children's hospital break. Okay, so I'm almost done on this row, and then we'll look into setting up the next one. It's just a matter of straightening up now, these last few. Which shouldn't take long. Got a few neat emotes in the works for the bro too. Yeah, so Thunder's doing 2 more emotes, capturing an iconic moment for the stream. Oh jeez. Franksy. Cheer brother Franksy, thank you very much bro. Oh, you didn't have to brother. And congratulations to those that received their gifted sub as well. Will you ever stream? Well, yeah, I'll just have to purchase the piece for the stream pack. Is there a process for using wood in Māori since trees are children? Yeah, so we have to do karakia, which is like a prayer to him, dedicated to him, just to, yeah, in order to cut the tree down. But we only ever do that for like sacred work these days. If you want a tree, you either go look for one that's already cut, or you wait for a tree to fall down. We don't cut our trees down unless we acknowledge Tāne Mahuta and do prayer dedicated to him for cutting his child down. Hope you're taking care, bro. Please stay safe. Oh, you too, women, go. Yeah, I'm trying to stay safe, brother. I mean, yeah, the virus isn't as bad as it used to be in the country, but it's still here. And it just so happens to be in the city I'm in as well. Which is real feels bad, man. So there were a few returnees coming back to the country, and they're using the hotels all around the country as quarantine hotels. And yeah, one of them had it here. What is this culture called? Māori culture, bro. The art form itself is called whakairo. This man has way too much soul in his life. Oh, I need to become a woodcarver. Oh, up to you, Z-Train. So I'm just doing the last two. Then I have my smoker. The boy Ren. Oh, hey bro. Bro, you didn't have to give bits, my bro. Down in the rain, music and all this, very relaxing. Cheer, brother. Just playing a bit of Kingdom Hearts now. Kingdom Hearts 3 was a game I streamed a long time ago because it didn't pixelate as much. But I've long since traded that in. Okay, last one. Okay, that's that. Final touch-ups for this row. It only took us almost 2 hours. Sheesh. First time tuning in, what games do you stream nowadays? Oh bro, I don't stream games at all because I tried to stream WoW on the stream pack but the quality wasn't that great. So I'm not going to stream games until we get this piece for the stream pack. So it's a good quality. Okay, let's have our first smoker. So that's one row done. There we go, I'll just leave it there, eh? Can you see it? The whole thing? Let me know. I'll put it up a bit higher. So yeah, so we've done all that row just now. And then we have to do it here. And still got to do these spots there. So those are the eyes, obviously. So once we design this entire thing, so we'll go on to the mouth after this, and these. Do the mouth, and then our final parts will be the owl up the top. Or Ruru as we would call it. And then I'll dig out the back, this part here, so we have gaps and oh, bloody sirens going off. That's the fire wave, yeah, there's probably a fire somewhere. You use power for the eyes, yep. I use power the smallest. Gonna blow my nose. There's no need to donate for streaming gear, man. So yeah, so we've done this one so far, and then we'll move down to here. Still have to readjust this side a bit, just from what I can feel. So there's needs to be dropped here, and on the side there's still a bit of wood here where it's flat, so we need to cut that down. Yeah, we can paint and lacquer them, bro. Oh, it was personal preference, eh? It all depends on what you want to do. Yeah, it's kind of like 2 fire engines and 2 cop cars. Yeah, so we're just taking our first smoker break. If you guys have any questions, be it about carving, or what games I like, or whatever, movies. Okay, what happened? Cheers, that going to Starship. What happened? Because you look like one of my uncles. What's next for this carving? So probably this row here. How did Marvel reach out to you for the voice acting? Fuck's sakes. Hey, Korg here. Oh, you know, it wasn't me that voiced Korg in Thor Ragnarok, it was Taika Waititi. So I'm actually not that pile of rocks that's waving at you. It was actually Taika Waititi from Divine Arbanu. He's also quite an accomplished director as well. Do you ever sleep wearing your beanie? Yeah, I do it all the time. What happens when you're done carving staining? Well, you start the next one. So we're planning on giving this to Starship if they want it. What's your favourite type of wood? Probably this one, Tōtara, native red pine, brother. Is there a significance where you put the lines on the mask, or is it because you like the look of it? Here or there? So mainly, with our culture, bro, we like to work in 3s, so 3 lines, 3 lines. The extra line here is just to fill in the gap. Just looks better. And this was just to fill in more, because usually we only do like 4 big cuts, but instead I added an extra line just to give it something else, so it's not too boring. How many carvings do I have planned? None. I'll just move on to that. I'm supposed to be doing a taiaha as well. I might do some of that on my day off. Do you get a blank or take it from a whole tree trunk? What's a blank, bro? Like a cut. Going to have to nap. Oh, cheers, E-Train. Bro, you have a good sleep, brother. Hey, cheer mahalo. How you, brother? You been busy with your Spider-Man piece, my bro? Is it raining there? Yeah, bro, it is definitely raining here. And it is definitely cold, too. Last day for what? Charity towards Starship. I'm guessing you're new here? Mid-pounce. Thank you for subscribing. Damn, subscribe for 3 months. Holy shit, bro. You don't have to do that, brother. Pre-cut, oh, like a block of wood. Oh, yeah, just block of wood, brother. Yeah, of course I love rugby. I'm from New Zealand, so yeah. On the floor behind you, they look pretty awesome. So they were, what, 2 weeks each? Still not finished. I'm supposed to be doing an implant for this one here, but my brother took the piece I was going to use for implanting. He just keeps forgetting to bring it into town. How many pieces have I sent to customers internationally? None. Most of my customers have been here in New Zealand. Yeah. That's why I need to learn how to do that type of stuff. The All Blacks, bro. Is there a karakia blessing you soon? Yeah. Just make sure you dedicate it to Tane Marita. When's your brother gonna come back on the stream? Well, when he's in town. It's up to him. I'm not gonna force him to jump on, brother. Okay, I'll finish my smokers soon, and then we'll start the next part. Cheer, brother, mahalo. Yeah, we just finished the first row of pākatis, bro. This row here, and then we'll do this one. See how long it takes us, and then we'll go inside, and I'll reset up so we can read some donos. And then I gotta walk to the supermarket and get some food, and then I cook dinner for my apartment tonight. Well, I'm feeling a hearty steak, eh? Ambrosius, yeah, we handled it well until 2 people came into the country and pretty much messed up all that hard work. Hello from Argentina. Hello, new one. Yeah, it's always good to cook, bro. I don't really leave it for her to do all the time. I try not to, yeah. The Tor Polaco? Oh, bro, you didn't have to sub, bro. Like, you can just watch for free. What's your favourite part about winter? The cold. You read about Melbourne, they're getting owned. Yeah, I heard the virus is quite bad in Melbourne. Because one of my mods is from Melbourne, and yeah, just hoping he's staying safe. How would you feel about a Canadian getting a Māori tattoo? I mean, if you can explain what's in your tattoo, and just don't get it for the look, so yeah, all good. Oh. Hey Ping, thank you very much, man. If you're new here, you don't have to do that. Chew Jerry Milk. Okay, which way are we gonna go? So we'll start here and then make our way in. What side did I cut? I can't even remember. Doesn't matter. Okay, back to work. So I'll see how far we can get. Oh, Mr. Blunts, yeah. There's that colour here, but I don't do that one personally. We'll be teaching and can I respect that. Oh, true pig, true brother. So put it closer again. Oh, my back. Forgot to roll it out. So now it's back to prepping again. Won't be anything exciting. But what I'll do before we carry on is straighten up these lines. My bad, I'm missing your comments, guys. I'm just trying to get this out of the road, and then we'll carry on. Okay, there we go. This one here. Ara. Yeah, I've done kapaka, Mr. Blunts. Low key hoping there's no matatuni. Okay, here we go. Your work is incredible, congratulations. Oh, thank you, man. Perfect stream to animate you, motivated to keep up the level of dedication. Sure, mahalo. What are you working on today, brother? Okay. So I have to cut that way. Oh, Luke. Sure, brother. Welcome, bro. If you're new to the stream, Luke, thank you very much, brother. You don't have to do that here, bro. But I appreciate it, brother. Thank you. I don't have a debit card in my sub ran out. No, I've got to wait till I get a new one. Oh, don't worry about it, Obsessed. Bro, just come and watch me. I am running out of sunlight though, which is wretched. But yeah, man, I needed that sleep today. Really needed it. Just been feeling really tired since Friday. Chebu no tauranga hei aroha ki a koe. Ah, tēnā koe, Con. Nā mihi, brother. So I'm just setting up our tea, our pāka tea, which shouldn't take too long. So I'm just trying to beat the sunlight right now. I mean, it's a bit early for it to get dark, but oh well. It's not like you can tell the sun will stay on. Grandma Grip. Tēnā koe, Granny. Thank you for the bits. Now, my dear, if you are new to the stream, you don't have to give bits here. But thank you very much. Yeah, it is some pretty dumb weather, but I actually don't mind the rain. I prefer it over the sun. Okay, boom. Yeah, Panda and Phoenix, if you're still here, Panda said he was sending something over too. I'm not sure what it is though. I don't know why, but yeah, hopefully it's... I don't know what it is, eh? He didn't have to. The finishing up pose. Oh, dude, that's Spider-Man. Starting the blackout. Nice, bro. That sounds me. Yeah, I'm not sure what it is, man. I don't even know why. He's done enough. One thing I want to ask is the jersey warm? I'm kind of not gonna buy label clothes, eh? I want to like invest in streamers' clothes like Pandas. I asked Esfand if he had any merch today, but he didn't. Yeah, screw Adidas and all that, and Champion. I'd rather buy streamers' clothes. No, Luke. True, brother. Yeah, bro. 1 million followers, but it's not my accomplishment. It's the followers. It's all up to them. They're the ones that are achieving the goal for us. Which is bloody crazy. I mean, I don't even know 1 million people. There's wood carving passed down. Yeah, T. So my uncle introduced it to me when I was 12 years old, brother, at primary school. And to me and my younger brother. And yeah, it's almost our turn to hand it over. Almost. Mr. Blunts, oh, oi. Yahoo matatau ki te reo, brother. The best place to learn how to talk Māori in my eyes, bro, is back at the marae. Hey, chew, brother. Yeah, mahi mo, bro. Don't look at my pakatis, brother. Slow day mahi today, brother. There's been a few peeps asking about the All Might Mufasi, but should make it some merch. Oh. Just, nah. Maybe. I don't know, bro. Straight up. That's why I didn't even know. Don't strain your back, but yeah, oh, all good. Nah, it's pretty busy at mahi, but oh, true, my bro. All the tauiras in today too, eh? Oh, must be cool carving in a nice warm school. Cheer to the brothers at mahi too, my bro. Do you follow the All Blacks? Yeah, I don't know any New Zealander that doesn't. Okay, our music is about to go flat, so I'll probably keep carving with the reins.
All of whom have their own unique strengths and personalities.
A 12 parsec. Always cool to watch your work. Much love, brother. Yeah, cheer, brother. Thanks for resubbing, bro. You know you don't have to, eh? That goes for everyone too. Luke Dog, thank you very much, brother. No need to give any more bits, bro. Go to play. Just come and watch. You follow the Black Caps? Nah. I personally don't think cricket's fun, or it doesn't look fun. In the stream, bro, just want to say I know oh, thanks, Smokey. Cheers, brother. Where you got those sub badges from? The one you want to ask, bro, is Thunder Punch. Thunder Punch made my sub badges, bro. He'll probably make my last two anyway. He done majority of our emotes as well. Just not the one Korg one, Maya. Hold on, guys. Yeah, brother, Kara, if you're still on. supposed to do their taiaha today. Might hit you up tomorrow. Is it raining? Yeah, pretty much. Rain, hail or shine, brother. Gotta get this last day in for Starship. I didn't realise I had bits. Oh, professional, he didn't even have to give them to me. Thank you though, brother. And huge jalapeno. Chew, brother. Found me on TikTok. Chew, bro. A bloody TikTok, eh? Chew, fish, chew, brother. How many days have you been carving this piece? Oh, I lost count, bro. I don't really keep track. Just carve it. Over 2 weeks, anyway. That's all I can remember. It's more about showing the process there. It's not about racing. For me. Looks like a bit of dentistry. Yep, this is Brom music. What am I making? So I'm designing a face, bro. What we call a fiku. Yeah. So it's going to look similar to the top row. So what I'm doing now is just prepping to have them cut out. Moose Strangler. Chew, brother. Welcome to the stream, bro. If you are new, you don't have to resub next time. It's all good just to come and watch, brother. What's on the ground behind you? A drink bottle. Nothing but thanks for your happiness. Oh, Yato gave me... Bro, that's the thought that counts, brother, but just for next time, hold on to your money, bro. It's fine. Let's try and get these popped out, eh? Yeah, man. Anyone here play Smash? What are you using? Do you always use that type? No, man. So this type of wood here is a native red pine to New Zealand called tōtara. In terms of the timber, bro, I just choose what I have, brother. I mean, I won't have the same timber all the time. True, brother Bloods. Yeah, so Smash is a game that I'm really getting into now. Super Smash Bros Ultimate. Bro, it's fun. I've been a mark main like 7 years. Oh, true, brother. Yeah, I only just started, but my favourite has to be Incineroar. Just because I like clotheslining people. That's the only reason. And he's a wrestler. That's why he's probably one of my favourite Pokemon too, because he's a wrestler mixed with a tiger. Which is cool. Yeah, but that's the main reason why I like Incineroar, just because you can clothesline people. And yeet them as well. if you don't successfully do the clothesline. Just yeet them off the map. Yep, it's raining, bro. Bakurio and T-Dogs. Oh, thank yous, man. The clothesline is the most... Ah, Fanta. Bloody hell. We might have to move our setup over a little bit, so I can be in the light. We might do that, Just move this bugger over. Yeah, that's the only reason why I like Incineroar, because you can clothesline people. Ah, bonfire. That's enough. Thank you, bonfire, bro. You didn't have to do that. What we might... Oh, I'll just stick with this for now. Oh, what happened? You donated 5 subs, that's what happened. How do I donate? Just by watching, bro. Straya mate and Gregory. Thank you guys for subbing. To be honest, bro, you don't have to do that. So please hold off doing it next time, please, brothers. Or sisters. Okay, this iPad's going flat, so I might just go and turn it off and then I'll be back. XY Zizzy, true brother. Bro, you don't have to do that. Just gonna take this thing inside and I'll be back. Don't do anything. I'll be watching. Yeah, boy, guess who found them? Macintosh. Winning Macintosh. Okay. We'll just listen to the rain, eh? We should make a sign that says you don't need to sub. Yeah, I could do that. If I knew how to. Might hit up one of the bros. Put it as like a thing on the screen. Blue sky and Gizzy. Ah, must be nice. Cheers, brother. Okay, last bit. And that is the prepping for that side done. Ka pai, ka pai. Would you ever play games on stream? Yeah, bro. I will. Just have to wait, that's all. So check up the other side. Deal with my anxiety. Cheer, Bansby. Trust me, bro, you're not the only one, and I'm glad it can help people in any way, bro. But, much love, brother. It takes a lot for people to open up, but, here, bro, it's welcome. It takes a real man to open up and express how they feel. There's too much stigma around this talk that you should be hard and not express how you feel. And that's a load of crap. Okay. How much longer? Oh, I don't know. When my back gets sore, I get hungry. Yeah. So I'm just prepping the other side now. Still here, cutter. Dude, for the alliance. Yeah, you are in the wrong neighborhood, brother. Oh, who's this anonymous cheerer? We're not allowed any pets, Claypool. Which is kind of stink. I mean, I'd love to have a dog, eh? My daughter, she absolutely loves dogs. We used to watch this YouTube channel when she was a bit younger called Big Doss Vlogs. And he has like Labradors, and man, she was obsessed with that channel. But now her great grandmother, so she has a great grandmother on her mum's side and my side as well. My back gets sore and I'm hungry too. Yeah, bro. So my daughter was totally obsessed with their YouTube channel. But what she calls a dog is after one of her grandmothers. So her great grandmother has a dog called Ari, which is a black German shepherd, and that's what she knows a dog is. She calls it Kuri, which is the Māori word for dog, but she likes to call it Ari. And every time we watch Big Doss vlogs, she would just Ari, Ari, just yelling out at the TV. Okay. Oh, prep these. Prep these all up. And then from there, you should be good. Big Doss is a good dude, eh? He has so many dogs as well. Okay, we'll pop these ones out first and then we'll carry on. Hammer it on your back. Oh my god, the hammer pulled you off. It seems like you had a really intimate connection with this hammer and it was like losing it. And losing it was like equal to losing a loved one. Nice way of putting it. A damn bloody knot. Need her. Ah, bro. It's all good, bro. My back's all good. Thank you for streaming right now. I'm out in the States and holiday happening tonight. My dog hates fireworks, so tonight was always my time with her to go out after sitting around the boom stops back in Feb. 7 years that I won't maybe spending it with her. The chill streams, they keep my spirits up tonight. Oh, pet the pineapple. Yeah, I know how that feels, man. Love to you, bro. And thank you for sharing. Yeah, bro, I had a dog as well. At the age of 2. My mother had a... what was it? A Mastiff crossed with a pit bull. And we caught him. So we had him pretty much right up until I was like 9. And then one day he got out of the yard and he never came back. And I can remember feeling really sad because he used to sleep with me and all that. We pretty much did a lot of things together, me and my dog. Oh, I mean, as you do as a kid, eh? And I can tell how that feels. Oh, bro, it's all good. No need to be sorry, man. It's about sharing, eh? Bakura, oh, you have a nice day, man. And Tyreeks. If you're new to the channel, Tyreeks, next time you have a sub, don't use it on me, brother. Save it for you. Or someone else. Well, welcome, brother. Yeah, I think we might just cut these out and then we'll finish here, eh? I've got to ring my partner up and see what time they're coming home, just so I know when to prep dinner. No, true, brother Hotlink, yeah. It's sad, eh? I mean, I still miss him today. I haven't had a dog since. But, with my daughter now, she really wants one and I'm pretty much open to it now. Kind of music you like? Licensed ones. No. My dog passed in October, yeah, the 13th. It's tough because yeah, bro. Definitely. Can we get a close up? Oh, yeah, I'm not even finished yet. Love the streams, brother. Hey, chew, Magnus. Yeah, I see that Bajira emote. Yeah. You watch him too, brother? Bro, he is my warrior idol for WoW. You should make a Korg sub emote. There are Korg sub emotes, brother. They have a Rottweiler in here. Bro, I'll tell you a story about my auntie. She had 2 giant ass Rottweilers, so I'll point the camera up, eh? Oh no, I'll just do it while I carve. So one was a girl and obviously one was a boy. They were called Bonnie and Clyde. And me and my mum were at my auntie's house for the weekend along with my big cousins. And yeah, one day I'd woken up, we were playing outside. And what happened after that? So I was playing with the dogs, Bonnie and Clyde, these 2 giant ass Rottweilers, and pretty much went into their doghouse. And Clyde, which was the biggest one out of all of them, sat in front of the dog door, and I couldn't get up. But being a kid, I was just playing. And after that, bro, my mum got worried and my auntie and all my cousins because they couldn't find me. I'd actually fallen asleep. And they ran around the house trying to look for me and ran up and down the road around the block all this whole time. And they'd come home, they'd lost all hope and all that. Then as they come back into the backyard, they heard me laughing in the doghouse. And then they just looked in and, you little shit. And even to the dogs as well. Oh, Georgie, thanks mate, till next time. Oh, thanks for being here, brother. Bro, you didn't have to give that amount of bits, brother, but thank you very much, bro. Yeah, bro, so I was hiding in the doghouse, just having me old good time. Che, ka kite, Mr. Blunt. You have a good day, eh? A good arvo. Okay. Yeah, we'll just get these all cut and there might be update for now. I bet dog is protecting you, but yeah, pretty much the both big ass dogs sat in front of the door. How many cousins you got, bro? Oh, I don't actually keep count of them, eh? I don't think I know anyone that does. Whānau is whānau, bro. Okay. These pakatis are coming out quite good. How cool does it get usually this time of year? Like your joints get sore, like when you're outside. Yeah. Oh, I mean, I watched the Avengers movie when Korg got in it. I mean, Thor Ragnarok. Sorry. I think my favourite Avenger was Thor. Even before I was carving. Can I donate some hangi to Starship from Murupara? Oh, true. I'm from Murupara. Funny old lady, when I was young, she had a massive wooden spoon in her kitchen. She would always say, don't make me get that spoon. That sounds like my nan. She was old, but she had the hand on her. If you had no ears. I always talk about it with her nowadays and I just laugh. She's like, oh, shut up. Okay, that's pretty much that all prepped. We'll just carry on there. I'll try and see how much I can get clean for now. Vile pleb, yeah bro, definitely. What was your first reaction to Korg? Taika Waititi? Like, straight up? Knew it was him straight away? It's pretty funny. Different, hearing that. I don't think anyone expected it. No, Richard Martinez. Oh, well, at least she's still with you. New here, is this koa wood? Nah, this is totara, bro. Isn't koa wood from the islands? from Hawaii. Hey, cheer, brother Nomad. How's Destiny going, brother? Yeah, we'll start cleaning them up now. I'll do them one by one. I mean, as we did before. I'm expecting my partner. I might just ring him now, actually. I'll just ring my partner, see what she's up to. See if they've left yet. I'll just point the camera up. And her phone's flat. Fuck's sake. Well, that was a big fat fail. Okay, yeah, I'll do a few more and then might call it a day. I feel like she might be on the way home, so I better get dinner sorted. Same old, brother. Oh, gee. So yesterday going through some law associated with the covenant. You plan to do any more of that? Oh, wands, I do it all the time. When people ask. Yeah, all the time, bro. Are you all good with no music? Want me to play some? Oh, here we go. Mrs. Brooks is calling. Hello?
Hi, did you think?
Yes, I did. Are you still in, when he's coming home?
We're on our way home, I texted you.
Oh, you're on your way. Say hello to the stream.
You just... Oh, excellent.
Yeah, say hello.
Hello.
So,
hang up now.
should I get,
No, we're like...
should I get dinner ready then soon? Or go and get it?
We're like just out to buy.
Oh, so he's like almost home. Oh, I may as well carry
Yeah.
on streaming till baby gets here then. Alright.
Okay then.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, get off my
Yeah.
phone. See ya. Well, I didn't know they were that close. They're legit a few minutes away. Love that slang. So that was Mrs. Brooks. I didn't even know they were on the way home. She said she texted me. She lied. She lied. She lied. No, I would love to read the donos out, guys, but as you all know, it's my anniversary day with Mrs. Brooks today. Not marriage, but hopefully one day. I feel bad for not reading them out, eh? The ones today. Love the ringtone, bro. Yeah, bro. All my theme song, my bro. What's East tier? What's that for, brother? What's the name? Fastidious beef? Oh, thanks for the bits, brother. Bro, you didn't have to. Yeah, enjoy it, but I'm sure everyone will understand. Oh, thanks, brother. And thanks everyone for congratulating me. The day she met the most apex predator of a man. The cerebral assassin. The boss. Called No, she heard me say that, she will let her. Oh, shut up. Okay, tell me. I'll be like an orc peon. Job's done. Do you sell it hanging up in your home? So this one in particular, brother, will be going to Starship if they want it. If not, then yeah, probably sell it, brother, since the stream's pretty much watched it. But what I'm gonna do, bro, is hold on to it for now and produce a few more carvings, and then eventually open it up on a website, because it would be quite ratchet, everyone trying to go for one piece. And everyone misses out. Alright, off I go. Yes, my lord. If anyone knows those, you played Warcraft 3. What's up, brother? Hey, TJ Bird. Cheer, brother. That was spot on, Orc VO. Just zugging all day, brother. Zug, zug. Do the voice song. Yes, my lord. Righto. Job's done. Work, work. Oh, look, work, work. Oh, I can't do that one. Something need carving? Something need doing? I try my best, but I'm not good at it. I can do that. How many tools you need for this? I have over like what, 36 different types of chisels, brother. I love it, man. Cheer, brother. I see my brother's just started live streaming. Not my brother, but Panda's on. He might be our target today. I'll take my time with him, eh? So I'll go and host Panda today. He's usually late for his own intro. All the bloody time. Oh, I can't understand about that, man. Sorry. Yeah, I'd love to cosplay as Bob Ross and Carvey. That could be an idea that we can do. Keen ass. Just do it. Not because I have to, just because I want to. I don't know why your voice is so calm. That's gonna be fun. True, brother Sunfire. And Pickles subscribed for 2 months. Hey, thank you, brother. Bro, if you're new here, you don't have to. It's best to just look after yourself first, eh? Okay. So they're getting there. Boom. But what's everyone up to anyway as they watch? Oh, the carving is really cool. Oh, we're getting there, brother. Not sure what you're on about there, Pepe Grillo. Okay, we've almost finished the teeth, guys. Well, not properly anyway. I'm just trying to get them all cut out so you can see it. Stream with just at the moment. Oh, are you? Oh, my bad, brother. Let me know before we finish, bro. So my mods are sorting out a stream. Oh, we'll see what happens. Hopefully they get it. If they don't, we'll go and host Panda. Where am I from? I'm from New Zealand. Switched to play Zelda and chilling out with my son. Oh, true, bro. Nice. Got no highlight clips on Discord. No. Nope, I don't. Wouldn't it be better to just come watch them here? Okay, I'll just pop these out. And then from there we should be good. I can hear a car, and this sounds like them. What tool am I using? Chisel, shaped into a skew. How do you feel about the Warriors beating the Broncos today? Oh, to be honest, bro, I don't even care about them. They're not a team I follow anymore, bro. Okay, we'll see how that looks from a distance. Eh? I mean, they're still not straight enough, but they look good for now. For now. I couldn't have patience with this, bro. Oh, bro, it's all good. Isn't the Chiefs game on now? Didn't they start at 3? What team you follow? For Super Rugby or just rugby in general? Okay, how's that? It's pretty dark for me, but hopefully you can see it. How's that looking for you guys? Let me know. Shall I pull it back a bit? And here they are. I think my baby's asleep. Okay guys, we are going to call it a day. Thunder, have you just sorted it out? Hello.
Hi.
Happy anniversary. 13 hurricanes. Oh. Okay, sorry brother Justin, brother Thunder. I might go soon.